to do is clean my tumbler with just some alcohol. And this tumbler I got at Walmart, the built tumbler. And I like the lid. It has a closing lid. So I'm just going to put some alcohol. You can use a cotton swab or a paper towel. And then you're just going to clean it on the side that you're going to put your decal on, just to get all the grease and everything that's on there off. And I put that aside and let it dry. And then I'm going to finish weeding out my decal that I just cut out. So this just came off, so you just pull an edge up and it will pull off. Pull on the middle. And it's a little harder to see the little ones. If you get it at the right light angle, you can pull those off. So now that you're done with that, to put it on with using the hinge method, which is what I'm showing you in this post, you just need some blue painter's tape and some transfer tape paper. So you can use contact paper or transfer tape or paper clear. I have a few posts on which ones I like. So for the hinge method, you want the one with the paper, the biggest paper on the back. So in order to layer these, put that on there and then center this on here. And I'm actually going to cut off the end of this. And just press it down so you get it all onto the actual transfer tape. And then on the mug, I like to put it and kind of center it where you want it. And if you want to measure from the top to the bottom, and see kind of where you want it, and then get it straight. And then you're going to put a piece of the blue tape just down the middle of it somewhere, so that holds it in place. So then you're going to pull up one side, and then you're going to cut off this paper under here. And then you're going to set it down. So now you have a side stuck in place. So now you can take off the tape, flip this over, peel the rest of it off, and then just fold it over and press it down as well as you can. And then you're going to pull off the transfer tape. And there you go. So now you have a nice mug. So make sure on these ones that you use the waterproof, the permanent ones, that you let them cure for at least 72 hours before you get them wet. And all of them, they're always hand wash, no microwave, because they will melt. So that's just an easy way to get it on straight. The other way is just to take it off and just put it on, but sometimes I don't always get it on straight, so I like to do it that way. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.